What is a reveal? What is a door reveal? My wife actually asked me that, and that really surprised me and makes me realize that I am using terms that maybe nobody else uses and maybe don't even make any sense. But I think a door reveal is a pretty common term for a door installer to use. A door reveal is how well the door slab or slabs line up with each other and with the door frame. So on this door, when this panel comes close to this frame side over here, do the panel and the frame match up? Are they both plumb with each other? So is the gap at the top the same at the gap at the bottom? On this side, it's just for weather tightness. So there's a depth that the door panel can go into the frame. So as far as reveal over here, I'm just looking to make sure that these two line up. But a typical homeowner is never going to be concerned with the reveal over here. The reveal that's also important to me, there's two other reveals on a standard multi-slide 3-panel door like this. So you have this reveal right here with these two pieces. Then when we go ahead and open these two panels up, this is our second spot for a reveal. Do these two panels match? So these two panels don't go into as far into the frame as the stationary panel, but I want to make sure that this dimension right here is the same from top to bottom. I don't want it to be like a 1/4 inch out up there and a 1/4 inch in up there. That looks really funky. The other reveal that I'm looking for in this area is, do these two panels match up? And they do. They're spot on. We actually put these door panels in. We haven't made a single adjustment to the rollers, the wheels. You don't have to believe me about that, but we haven't adjusted them at all. And I want to show you the other reveal that I'm most excited about. That I'm probably the only person in the world that's excited about this reveal, but it's a good one. So because this is a black door, because the house isn't finished, I have to use a flashlight. But if you'll come inside, I want to show you the other reveal. Again, I haven't made a single adjustment to the rollers on this door. We simply put the door frame in, got it plumb, and checked to make sure that the sill was level. And then we put the door panels in. No adjustment to the rollers. Here's the other reveal that is most exciting to me. This panel contacts the frame here, and it contacts the frame up at the top, contacts the frame in the middle. To have a door panel, the moving panel, perfectly align with this jamb over here, and then move 15 feet and align perfectly with this jamb over here, that's a nice install. I'm really, really thrilled with that sort of install, especially since I've made no adjustments to the rollers. So that means that if this home were to shift, we have all of the roller adjustment that we can use. There is plenty of adjustment to take up any sort of shifting in this house. I can't fix if there's water damage or something from above. That's a totally different issue. But if the house were to shift an 1/8 of an inch or a 1/16 of an inch, we can accommodate for that with this door. Now, if I had installed it and we were really maxing out the rollers to get things lined up and the house shifts, then I may be called back in 6 months and we're out of adjustment. We can't do anything with the door. But this door, we are leaving it with every bit of adjustment that I may need. And again, I'm really thrilled with this. This is hard to accomplish, to have it be spot on over there, spot on here, spot on here. So I hope that helps to explain what a reveal is. It's how the door panels contact, or the gap between the door panels and the reveal and the frame, what that dimension looks like. So on this door, they're absolutely perfect.